Hey guys, Eagle Hunter Gamer here, and today is a video of showing you what I got for Christmas. Merry Christmas today. I'm going to do airsoft. I'm gonna do that for my career. So this is my airsoft from one of my friends that gave me, same as this, and also these as well. I got this for Christmas. This for Christmas. I got this for Christmas. This. I got some clips. Got more same gloves, and also tell me in the chat what this puppy is, because this is first airsoft gun, and I'm gonna make videos on that. And also, it's the BBs that hold 5,000. Pretty dang good. Clips are different. They have this. Restock it. That holds 2 more. 300 each. 300 in both. 300 both. But yeah. This is all the stuff I'm gonna get. Use. My friend has an optional glyph for that. This just Chris from Eagle Hunter Gamer. Sign off for more. Peace out, and also tell me what that gun is called in the comments. Don't forget to smack the like, subscribe. I know it's been a while, but happy Merry Christmas. See you later, guys. Peace out. Bye.